Welcome to Student Engagement in Standards-Based Learning, Section 5.2, The Geometry of Cubism. As we begin this part of the course on the modification and expansion of learning activities, we will explore an interdisciplinary standards-based learning activity. As you participate in the learning activity, notice how many disciplines are evident. Before we begin, please know that the activity directions are adapted to meet our remote learning environment. The activity directions for our course will be in Canvas, Modules, Section 5.2, Learning Activity, the Geometry of Cubism discussion area. Please turn to page 251, Learning Activity, the Geometry of Cubism, where you will find the directions for this activity. As you travel throughout the world, you will find many diverse and beautiful forms of artistic expression. One avant-garde art movement that revolutionized European painting in the 20th century was Cubism, pioneered by such artists as Pablo Picasso and Georges Braque. In Cubist artwork, you will find geometric shapes and objects broken up and reassembled in an abstracted form at random angles. Please select one of the Cubist images in the document and then sketch the artwork on a sheet of paper. As you sketch the picture, identify examples of geometry. Highlight or check off each geometry examples listed on page 251 as you sketch the picture. What disciplines were evident and what other disciplines can you incorporate? For math, are students analyzing the examples of geometry in the artwork? History. Can students research information about the history of Cubist artists? Art. Are you drawing a replica of the artwork and creating your own artwork? Language arts. Can students write an essay about their artwork or create a PowerPoint presentation and report on Cubism or Cubist artist? Remember, seeing the connection between art, geometry, and other disciplines lends a relevance to exploring geometry in math and supports the learning experience. Explore ways to make your standards-based learning activities more interdisciplinary. This will help students transfer the QFL process skills across disciplines and lend relevance to what they learn. This concludes the geometry of Cubism. Please continue to Modules, Section 5.1 Gain Mastery, Adapting Standards-Based Learning Activities, Modification.